Now, let me just show you how you can use agent mode to get the agent to do this. I could come up here, grab this sheet, all right? And this will only work if you're on a paid ChatGPT plan, but I can now click on agent mode. Are you all watching? I can click on agent mode and say, here is a Google sheet. I would like you to place all of these topic ideas in column A. And then paste in the Google sheet and then press go. Now, I'm not going to sit here and wait for this to happen because this can be quite slow and I'm doing a live stream. But essentially now what will happen is this will first of all ask for access to the document. It's going to open up this remote desktop. So this is completely hands off. It will now go through the thread, take each idea and actually put them in the sheet for you. It is very slow. It is still very needs reminding, okay? But it can sit and do that if you want to play with that and have a go. So it's taking too long for me. So I'm actually just going to stop the agent because we're using a lot of internet doing a live stream right now anyway. But just letting you know, that's how you do that. And that's how you can get that done. So it will open up that desktop. It will prompt you just to let it into the Google Sheet. It must be set to this public visibility. Anyone with the link can view. In fact, for an agent, you would need to change it to anyone with the link can edit. All right. So you'll just need to do that and then change it back later.